Got a 2021 Chevy Tahoe key fob. Today we're gonna open it up to replace the battery. It's really simple. The first step is going to be right here on the left side of the remote. There's a button. If you push this button and hold it down and pull out the emergency key, it's gonna be your first step. If you look right here, you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver, or you can even use the emergency key, but there's a little slot right here that we're gonna use to pry this back panel up. Okay, like that. Opens up just like this. Use the flathead screwdriver right here in one of these slots, either that one or this one. You can just pull the battery right out. Show you what size the battery is. The battery is gonna be a CR2450 with the positive sign facing out towards us. Goes down in the bottom first, then you just click it right in there. If you need one of these, there'll be a link down in the description box if you need it. Then you just get the cover. The top goes on first, and then you just work your way down until it snaps on. When this key goes back in, it sticks. You're all done.